Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be doing good. Today we will solve India Maths Olympiad question. In this question, the main formula we will use is equal a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be the main formula throughout this question. So put the values of a plus b, which is 1, and a square plus b square is equal to 2 plus 2ab. Now square of 1 is equal to 1, 2 as it is, and 2ab in its place. Now shift 2 to the right side, left side. So it will become negative. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now divide both sides over 2 to cancel this 2 from this side. So AB will be equal to minus 1 over 2, right? So we have the value of A plus B. We can use it in our question. Now replace A square with A square. In this formula, replace A with A square. So A square plus B square whole square, then A square plus B square plus 2a square b square, right? Simply in this formula, replace a with a square and b with b square. Now put the value of a square plus b square, which is 2 square. Now from here 2 into 2 we get a4. From there b 2 into 2 we get b4 plus 2. We can write a square b square as a whole square in this way, right? Now 2 square equal to 4. A4 B4 plus 2. We know the value of AB, which is minus 1 over 2. So replace AB with minus 1 over 2. A4 plus B4 plus 2. Now the square of minus 1 is equal to 1. Square of 2 is 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 is equal to A4 plus B4 plus 1 over 2. We have to find the value of A4 plus B4. So this thing is extra. Shift it towards left hand side. So it will become negative. Minus 1 over 2 is equal to A4 plus B4. Now take LCM, which is 2. 1 twos are 2, 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Or you can write A4 plus B4 equals 7 over 2. So this is our final answer. I hope you have liked this question. If so, then please like this video, subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends. It is absolutely free. Thank you.